I love spending on gadgets, and I have 4 that are my favourite from January so far. The last one is something I've wanted for quite a while. Kicking things off is this MagSafe wallet. It replaces my Spigen, however you say it, wallet, and it doesn't add much more bulk. It can carry 3 cards and some cash if you want to squeeze it in, and it has Find My built in with a little jingle. Now I really like how slim it is, and also that it charges with MagSafe directly. The magnet is very strong. It has RFID blocking, and it also comes with a 6-month warranty. There's not much more I can say about this, and for $18.99 including Find My, I think it's a great deal. Carrying cash is something that happens less and less these days, but I started to carry some with me with a couple of cards that aren't as important. I was looking for a traditional money clip when I came across this Vaultec magnetic clip. There's a premium feel to this, and the magnets are very strong. Specs say that this will carry 15 folded notes. I use it with 3 folded notes and 2 membership cards, and that works just fine for me. Now this isn't a feature, but it was a nice surprise. When you have your AirPods or any other MagSafe accessory and the money clip nearby, they stay together, so they don't move around in your pocket. I think that's quite nice, and makes my AirPods less likely to fall out of my pocket. There are 8 different colours of this that you can choose from, and I think for $12.99 you can't go wrong. Now this one is for the whiskey and the cocktail lovers. Everybody knows that an ice ball elevates a drink and makes it far more sophisticated. Although this doesn't create a clear ice ball, what it does offer is ease of use. The top is a funnel and a cover for the silicone ball. Place them in your freezer, and in no time you've got the perfect ice ball for your drink. The other thing that I like to do with this is when you make a protein shake, if you're making it with water, ice ball in, and then by the time you finished your workout, your drink's still cold and it's mixed some of the water in there too. So for the price, you get 4 for $13.99. Sorry about this interruption, but I forgot to mention in the video that everything is going to be linked in the description below. So go and buy some stuff, help with the affiliate links. Enjoy the video. Now this is something that I have wanted for a while. I've been on the hunt for a decent bedside charger for all my devices, phone, AirPods and Apple Watch. I've tried budget, I've tried travel, but now I've gone for premium. ESR are known for their charging products, and this 3-in-1 charger is just what I was looking for. The materials of this are excellent, and it's got the right amount of heft to stay in place. The magnet's really strong, and I do love using nightstand. It charges at 25 watts total, 15 watts of that being dedicated to the phone and the rest shared between the AirPods and the Apple Watch. It might not be the quickest charger that you can get, but for an overnight charge it's perfect. Compared to my old charger, it takes up less space, it's more powerful, and although I said premium, the price is only $39.99. Bargain, especially when you consider it's built to last and it's aesthetically pleasing. Okay, that's it. If you're still here, thank you. Might as well like and subscribe. Bye.